Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be reviewing the PROCUS Hector Car Dashcam. I have been using it for a while now, and I am excited to share my experience with you. First, let's take a look at the physical overview of the dashcam. It is compact, portable, and easily detachable. The build quality is also good for the price, and it has a glass lens as opposed to a plastic lens in some other dash cameras. It also comes with an inbuilt display and automatically turns off in a minute while recording goes in background, which is a great feature. I am using a 32GB Strontium Class 10 memory card, which is working great with this dashcam. Moving on to the operating experience, the dashcam is almost plug and play, making it easy to install. It powers on with the default charger or any USB to 5-pin mini cable. The suction holder is strong enough to hold the lightweight camera, and the menu settings are easy to operate. You can also mute the audio in recording. Now, let's talk about the performance of the dashcam. I have recorded some footages in different conditions, and the audio recording is very clear and fantastic. However, the video quality is not that great, but it is on par with Qubo dashcam. It takes 500 MB per 3 minutes HD recording and 700 MB per file for 3 minutes full HD recording. The cycle recording overwrites old files without any issues. The camera has a small battery that records up to 30 minutes to 1 hour even after turning off the car, which is useful when parking on roads for a few minutes. In summary, considering the price to performance ratio and my experience with the Qubo dashcam, I conclude that the PROCUS Hector Car Dashcam is a good option for first-time users. However, do not expect high-clarity filled video footages. Amazon link to this product is added in video description for your reference. So, that was my review of the PROCUS Hector Car Dashcam. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Thank you for watching.